Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I'm actually so excited for this because I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, and for some reason I don't know, I was just kind of like, it's only 3 ounces, like I don't know if it's worth the money, blah blah blah, so I was kind of like not getting it for a while. But then I figured during the sale that I should get it and like review it because I've heard really good things. I got it for my mom for like Christmas or Mother's Day or something, and she said she really liked it. So that kind of like was the final push of me being like, I should get it and try it. So I'm gonna see if it's actually worth the money. One of my favorite hair masks of all time, which is like the Macadamia hair mask. I think one of the reasons I didn't get it is because I was like, oh, the Macadamia one, you get like 16 ounce or something for like $20-ish, 25, depending on where you get it. But this, I think it's like $28 and you only get 3 ounce. So I was kind of like, I don't know if it's worth it, but I'm gonna try it, see what all the hype is about, see if it actually is worth it or not. And yeah, this is, okay, I'm just filming the intro. I haven't tried it yet. And my hair is like so crusty right now because I haven't washed it in like a whole last week. So this is like a little before, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. We'll do a little demo, application, everything like that. And then next week, I will come back, we'll review the footage, the before and after clips, and then I will give you my final thoughts on the product. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps the channel grow. I'm also selling these cute little notebooks on Etsy, so I will link that down below. And of course, before we start, we have to do a comment of the week. I love how nice and kind you guys have been in the comment section, so yeah, comment of the week. And yeah, let's get started. But this is the before. As you can tell, hair's looking hella crusty and like dry, dead. It honestly looks like hay, and this part is so stripy that it actually hurts my soul. But oh, and look at the ends, you see how it's like so effed up. Yeah, it's just, it needs some help, so hopefully this will do the trick, but we'll see. Okay guys, it is the next week. I have tried out the Olaplex number 8 moisture mask, and I am here to give you my thoughts. So at first I was kind of like when I was applying it in the shower, I think I did 3 pumps total, and I just didn't feel like it was like very moisturizing. So I was kind of like, I don't know if this is gonna work, because normally when I apply a hair mask in the shower, it just feels very like silky in the shower, and I apply a lot, so it's very like, you know, it just feels like super moisturizing because there's like a ton of product. So I was kind of concerned about this, but once I rinsed it out and got out of the shower and everything, I did notice that my hair felt a lot smoother and softer. But I was still like a little bit weirded out because I'm just used to like using a lot of products, especially for a hair mask. I'm not used to like using such a small amount of product, so that still just kind of like tripped me out. But once I like dried my hair and everything, like the next day when I looked at my hair, I definitely felt like it was super silky and soft. And I noticed that my like split ends weren't as like flared out, they were more like tame. And what really impressed me about this product is that it gives you that silky soft hair like look and feel, but it separates your hair. It doesn't like clump it all together. And I feel like it just makes your hair color looks really good and makes your hair really shiny. And I also noticed that throughout the next week of me, like after I used this, I felt like my hair just stayed really straight, and it wasn't like frizzy. And I also felt like it didn't get as greasy as quickly, which is just like such a strange thing. But again, my hair felt like really soft and moisturized, but very separated. Even though it had been like a week and my hair was really dirty, it didn't like clump together and get all greasy, if that makes sense. And then when I'm comparing the before and after clips, I just feel like my hair after just looks so much better. Even the color looks so much better. I don't know if it's just because it's dirty in the before clip, but I feel like my hair looked really dull, and like my highlights weren't as vibrant because it just looked so like crusty like my hair. And in the after clip, I feel like my hair looks so shiny and so soft, and the color just looks so much better. Like it looks a lot brighter, a lot blonder, and just more vibrant. And I mean, I'm sure that's just because the hair is like more moisturized and shiny, so that's why. But yeah, so all the claims like moisturize, smooths, adds body and shine, I feel like all of those claims are true, and I do really like this, and I feel like it is worth it. Even though it is pricier, I actually do think that it is worth your money, and it does really work. And I do think it's probably one of my favorites now. I might do a video comparing it to like my other favorite hair mask, which is the Macadamia one, because I just kind of want to see how they look like side by side and how they compare, because again, this is on the pricier side and I think that one is a little bit more affordable. You get a lot more products, so yeah, I kind of want to see what it looks like on camera if I use like half on one side and half on the other side, and then I want to see how it performs like throughout the week. So I really like this. I do think it's worth it, and I feel like if you get it during like the VIB sales, then it's definitely a lot more affordable because you get like, you know, 10 to 15 to 20% off. So yeah. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!